Can you guess the hottest places on Earth? Welcome to a world where the sun reigns supreme, where every step feels like walking on a hot plate. Today, we're going to journey across the globe, exploring places where the heat isn't just a summer nuisance, but a year-round reality. From sun-baked sands to scalding cityscapes, these places are home to some of the most extreme temperatures ever recorded. So grab your sun hats and plenty of water, folks. Stay tuned as we start our countdown from the least hot to the most scorching place on Earth. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have Timbuktu, Mali. Nestled deep in the heart of West Africa, Timbuktu is a city that truly sizzles. Here, the mercury doesn't just rise, it soars, with average temperatures often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. But it's not just the scorching heat that makes Timbuktu one of the hottest places on Earth. The city's arid climate, characterized by infrequent rainfall and dry, dusty winds, adds another layer of intensity to the already blazing conditions. Yet, despite the relentless heat and pervasive dryness, life in Timbuktu goes on. The people of this ancient city have learned to adapt to their environment in remarkable ways. They build their homes from mud, a natural insulator that keeps interiors cool even in the height of summer. They also dress in loose, flowing garments to protect their skin from the harsh sun and to keep their bodies cool. Imagine living in a place where temperatures regularly hit 40 degrees Celsius. That's Timbuktu for you. Coming in at number 4, we have Dalol, Ethiopia. This isn't your typical desert or tropical heat, folks. Dalol's unique geothermal activity makes it a hotbed, quite literally. The Earth's crust at Dalol is extremely thin, allowing heat from the planet's molten core to rise to the surface. This heat, coupled with the scorching sun, results in an almost unbearable temperature. But what's fascinating is that Dalol isn't just a barren wasteland. It's inhabited, with people braving the heat and living off the land, making it one of the hottest inhabited places on Earth. The average yearly temperature here is a blistering 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Can you imagine? Every day feels like the peak of a summer heat wave. This is a place that pushes the boundaries of what we understand as hot. This is a place where the sun's rays aren't just hot, they're amplified by the geothermal activity beneath the surface. Dalol, Ethiopia, a place where the sun's rays are amplified by geothermal activity. Taking the third spot, we have Dashti Lut, Iran. This vast desert, also known as Lut Desert, is no ordinary patch of sand. It's been recognized by none other than NASA for having the hottest ground temperatures on Earth. Now, that's a distinction that's as impressive as it is daunting. So what makes Dashti Lut so incredibly hot? The answer lies in the unique combination of desert winds and dry heat. The relentless sun beats down on the barren landscape, causing the ground to heat up tremendously. Meanwhile, the desert winds, rather than providing any respite, act like nature's own fan-forced oven, intensifying the heat to extreme levels. But don't let its harsh environment fool you. Dashti Lut has its own stark beauty, a testament to the resilience of nature even in the most extreme conditions. It's a place of fascinating geological features and a living, breathing testament to the power of our planet. Dashti Lut, Iran, where the ground itself holds the record for extreme heat. And now, the top 2 hottest places on Earth, Death Valley, USA, and Kuwait City, Kuwait. Let's begin with Death Valley, a desert valley located in eastern California. It's a place that's earned its ominous name, as it holds the record for the highest air temperature ever recorded on Earth. On a sweltering day in July, the mercury climbed to an astonishing 134 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most of us could ever imagine, a level of heat that's beyond uncomfortable. It's downright dangerous. Now let's jet over to Kuwait City, the capital of Kuwait, which holds its own formidable record. Kuwait City holds the record for the highest temperature ever recorded in Asia and the Middle East. In the shade, temperatures can reach an incredible 129.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Just think about that for a moment. The shade isn't even a refuge from the relentless heat. Both these places, Death Valley and Kuwait City, serve as stark reminders of the extreme conditions that exist on our planet. This isn't just about breaking records or pushing boundaries. These temperatures can and do pose serious risks to human health and life. They're not just hot, they're dangerously hot. Death Valley and Kuwait City, where the heat is not just uncomfortable, it's life-threatening.